Hey guys, welcome to my Natural Academia. In today's video I'm going to be getting ready to do a little photo shoot. So it's actually been a while since I looked like somebody and I'm going through this little phase of rebrandingness. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but every time I try, or for the last couple weeks at least, the odds have just been against me. Like I can barely even talk right now because I mean, I can talk now, but a couple weeks ago I couldn't even talk. But anyways, that's besides the point. I usually take my own pictures of everything because I don't really trust people with my face. It's like, I think I look cute, and then somebody takes my pictures and then I end up looking a hot mess. So I just take my own pictures with everything, and I'm kind of into photography. So, I mean, why not? All right, so this is just how my hair is looking. I haven't washed my hair in over a month. I haven't washed my hair since January 3rd and it's currently February 12th. So it's been over a month and I was supposed to wash my hair this week actually. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. But this is just how my hair is looking. It's pretty stretched out. I have it in these really big twists. There's not really much to my get ready with me. The plan is to untwist these twists and to hope and pray that it comes out looking right, because I recently, yesterday, retwisted my hair so it hasn't really set to give that twisty curliness that I like. I'm debating on if I should put my clothes on now or I'm just gonna do my hair because my hair is like kind of greasy and I don't want the grease to transfer on my shirt because it's too cute to get transferred on. Let me give you guys actually a little quick back view of my hair. It's not in any like good shape right now. It's dirty and old and I have like a lot of dandruff, but won't be able to see that in the picture. Dang, the state of my twists are not giving what they're supposed to give. If it doesn't come out right, then I plan on just wearing my hair in a ponytail and hope and pray that it looks cute. Alright, also this is the state of my hair. It was barely able to hold a curl, but I think it still looks good. I hope it still looks good. For what I'm going for, I think this will work. But I need to hurry up because the longer I wait, like the more it'll frizz. I don't really plan on wearing any like sort of makeup. I don't really wear makeup like that, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Well, this is a quick little story time if you don't really care. Just go ahead and skip to this time frame and you won't have to listen to me. 51 minutes left on the SD card. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize. But anyways, last month, January of 2022, I went through this little phase of spontaneousness and not even necessarily rebelliousness, but like I've never worn makeup before, but I had the sudden urge to go buy a bunch of makeup, and it's just not for me, you know. No, I didn't even try. I put on like half of my face, and what I was going for was like a very natural looking makeup look, but what's the point? I don't know, I feel like my skin looks fine without makeup, and what I was going for was gonna make my face look exactly how it looks now, except for like with makeup. So I didn't think it was like worth wearing it. So essentially what I'm trying to say is like the only form of makeup that I'm gonna try to wear today is lip liner. Not usually, but I wear lip liner and I feel comfortable wearing that, and usually top it off with lip gloss. So that's what I'm about to do now. If I could find my sharpener. Oh, I didn't even give you guys a back view. I really like it. It feels very fluffy, very lightweight. I really like the way it looks. I wish I wore my hair out more, honestly, because I'd be looking cute. But it's the thing, like, I don't really have nowhere to go. But anyway, what was I doing? Alright, so I have this pencil that I bought from the dollar store. It's from Wet n Wild. And it's brown. I tried wearing the black one, but it's just a little bit too dark for me. Let me see if I can do it on camera. All right, so this is how it looks like without anything on top of it. And I feel like I put the brightness down because I could barely even see what I was doing. But anyways, kind of feel like my face looks a little bit ashy. I mean, I just washed my face, but like, why does it look so ashy? Just gonna use something to moisturize my face real quick. And honestly, y'all, I never really was into skincare like that, but when I went through my whole little makeup phase of like trying to find, should I put this brightness back up? I feel like it looks fine like this, but quality, I guess. But anyways, when I was going through my little phase of like trying to find makeup and stuff, I kind of delved into the realm of skincare. Long story short, I started using this serum on my face every morning, and ever since well, not necessarily ever since, but I feel like my skin loves aloe vera. I knew that before I met this product, but ever since I have met this product, I have not tried anything else. I absolutely love it, and I really feel like it's very moisturizing and very light, and I've never tried anything like it before. No, let me stop lying. I tried one thing like it before in the past, and I kind of liked it. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Basically, girl, it's good. I like it, and if you're on the lookout for a new skincare product that you may like, or you want to try it out, it's kind of expensive though. It's like 16 bucks, which is a lot of money for liquid in a jar. But if you're on the lookout for a new skincare product and you know your face likes aloe vera, then that is the product for you. I actually really like it. But anyways, just moisturize my dry face. Alright, so I don't look so crazy on this camera. See, that's the thing with this liner. It fades away so quick. What else do I have to do? After I went through the little phase of buying a bunch of makeup and then realizing that like it really wasn't for me, and I was trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit too far out. The one thing I didn't get rid of is this, what is it called? The thing that you put on your eyelashes? Eyeliner? Nope, mascara. I don't know the name of these things. Didn't really return it. I don't know why. I don't really know how to apply it. Every time I try to apply it, I get it on my eyes, but I like the way it makes my eyelashes look. Although I feel like my eyelashes look fine without it. I'm gonna try to do it. If it doesn't work out, then I'm not gonna use it. Probably won't be able to do this on camera though, because I can barely even do it looking at a mirror. All right, so I did one side. If I can't tell the difference, look at, I feel like it looks worse than it did before. Yeah, it's not for me. This type of stuff, it's just too much work. And I commend those that do have the time to put stuff like this on their face. I just don't have the time. Like, I just don't have the time. For it to make such little difference to my face, first of all. And even after I tried my best to like not look crazy, I still smeared it everywhere. Tears, pain, and sadness. Just gonna wipe it off my eyes because I don't like the way it looks. Gotta return that, get my $7 back. I'm just wear my little, I know you guys are probably tired of me right now. It's been 20 minutes of me sitting here talking about absolutely nothing. I need to hurry up. This is the lip gloss I'm using, by the way. I actually need, I'm on the lookout for some new lip gloss because I've had these for like almost 3 years now. And it's just not giving what it's supposed to give anymore. But alright, y'all, so this is the final get ready with me look, and all I did was untwist my hair and put on some lip gloss. Oh my gosh. Oh, and I also put moisturizer on, if that counts. But let me check that off my list of things to do. For this shoot, I'm planning on wearing this green button up. I don't know, I have a vision in my brain, I just don't know how to express it. It's just gonna be this green oversized button up with like my hair out and stuff, and hopefully it comes out nice because I don't really have a backup option. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to set up the stuff that I need to set up to take the pictures and probably gonna have to take you guys inside my room. I didn't really want to have to do that because you never know who's watching and who can decipher where you live based off the architecture of your apartment. So hopefully nobody tries to find me because that will be bad. That is what I plan on wearing, actually. Ooh, look at my collarbones. Anyways, so that shirt is what I plan on wearing, and I plan on like setting up everything over here. And I plan on taking the pictures on my phone, wherever that is. I don't even know where I put the phone. Where's the phone? I don't know. I have to look for it later. Alright guys, so this is how the setup is looking. I was kind of going for a more sleek look, to be honest, but I don't even know how to explain it. But if I were to put all the rods on the little thingy, it would be very, very wide. The width of it would make the backdrop more sleek, but I just don't have the space in my room to do so, unfortunately. So we're just gonna have to go with this little drape look. I think it's a moment. Kind of gives curtain vibes ish. I don't even know. And if all else fails, I can just like pull everything off to the side, but it still could look kind of wrinkly. That's something that I can like easily fix while I'm editing the pictures. Honestly, it's not gonna be that hard to take off a couple wrinkles on the backdrop. And I kind of need to iron my shirt or steam it or something. I mean, does it really look that bad though? I don't think it looks terrible. Now I don't really feel like ironing it. I don't know. But I was planning on wearing this chain with it, but low-key I feel like it's doing too much. I don't know. Every time I try to do something, like, I don't know. I got this shirt off H&M, by the way. I think it's so cute. I like wearing like button downs or button ups with like shorts and tops and stuff like that. I thought it was cute. I have so many of them. But that's what we're doing now. Then you have my hair already starting to look crazy, so I gotta hurry up before it frizzes out all the way 100%. So yeah. All right, so this is a further view of how everything is looking. It's not really taking up that much space, to be honest. I'm gonna be sitting on the floor, and then I have the little stand right here that is going to be right here to take pictures of me on the floor. I honestly really don't even want to iron the shirt, but I feel like if I don't, I'm just gonna look very, because it's already oversized. I don't know, I'm gonna look too slouchy. I'm not gonna get the look that I'm going for. All right guys, so this is the top. I decided not to iron it because I couldn't be bothered, you know. I didn't feel like doing it, so I didn't do it. This is the look that I'm going for, kind of ish, not really. I know you guys probably like, you look crazy, but I feel amazing, and that's all that matters. I'm going for something, and I know I can execute it if I believe in myself, and I believe in myself. I was supposed to wear this kind of chunky necklace, but I just feel like this is just not me. I always buy things that are not me because I want to step outside my comfort zone, and I never end up wearing them. I'm just wearing my tarnishing natural academia necklace that I kind of need to get replaced, or just buy another one, but I'm kind of like not able to right now financially, so we're gonna have to wait on it. I have pants on under here just for those that care, and the reason that I wanted to wear green is because first, if you guys didn't know, green is my favorite color. So I don't know, I love green, and I also think that green kind of matches my brand a lot, Natural Academia. I don't know, I kind of like it. But on another sad note, my hair is starting to look a little crazy. I just took it out like 30 minutes ago, and it's already starting to look like I've had it out all day, which sucks, but hopefully it doesn't look too bad in the pictures. Don't really have well, this is an interesting angle, but let me step back a little bit. I don't really have anything else I need to set up for, so I'm just gonna go go ahead and take the pictures. If I can find my phone, because I still have yet to find the phone. Hey Siri, oh, I found it. What do you guys think? You guys think this is cute? No? You guys think I'm doing too much? Y'all think I look like a little boy? Let me know, please. I'm kind of indifferent. I couldn't really figure out or decide what else I wanted to wear, so I just decided to wear this. Oof, girl, I am tired, but I look good though. Okay, tired and I look good.